Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to deposit or withdraw your cash from a Bank of America ATM without using the card. But first, please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. Bank of America is looking to make your wallet digital. Instead of using a physical card at ATMs, you can use your phone to deposit or withdraw cash or check balances. Here is how. Access your digital wallet using your fingerprint for security. Connect your digital wallet to the ATM, enter your PIN as you normally would, deposit or get your cash. These ATMs use NFC, Near Field Communication technology, similar to in-store registers. You can use popular digital wallets like Android, Apple and Samsung Pay. The best part? It works even without a cellular connection. You can use this cardless method at thousands of ATMs across the US. Security measures include fingerprint verification and additional safeguard on the ATM itself. And there we have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.